Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to transfer files from Android to laptop or PC. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, go and get your charging cable and connect the charging cable first end to your PC and other end to your mobile phone, just like we charge our phone. After connecting your phone to PC, you will see this kind of screen like your phone is connected to your PC, and in the notification panel we will see this message. We just need to open it and you will see the option for many things, like you can just charge your phone, you can just transfer the photos, but mainly we need to transfer the file, so we can just click on the file transfer. And yeah, there you go. As you can see, as I click on file transfer, my phone is connected to my PC and now I can easily transfer my files. As you can see in this PC, this is my phone which I connected to my PC, and right from here we can just easily share our files from our internal storage or from our SD card. So I just want to share my files from like internal storage, so I can just move some my camera pictures which I took from my camera. And also if you want to transfer your Google Photos, you can do that. You can transfer your screenshot, and for some reason if you are not able to connect your phone to your PC, and in that case if you want to use a wireless method, so you can just go and install Google Drive into your phone and upload your files there, then come to your laptop or PC, open Google Drive there, and from there you can easily download your files. So that's it for this video. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.